everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to lock WhatsApp in Android phone. So follow the step by step tutorial. So firstly go to your phone interface. So firstly you have to go to WhatsApp, and from the WhatsApp you have to click on three dot and you have to go to setting, and from the setting you have to click on privacy, and you have to scroll down, and there you will get app lock. So you have to click on app lock and click on the toggle button. So there will ask fingerprint, so you will get your fingerprint, and there is others option also, immediately or after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. So I will click on immediately. So if I go out from WhatsApp and see you, if I want to get in WhatsApp, then it is asking for pattern lock. So you have to go provide your fingerprint and then it will unlock. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.